Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know me, I'm AwesomeGirl22. And for my first video, I really like slime, so I'm going to be doing annoying slime pet peeves. So let's just get on with the video. The first pet peeve will be with some dirty, hard, and really disgusting slime. So let's just get on with the video. Hey guys, it's Betha, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wonderful non-sticky pokeable slime. It's like wonderful and so colorful, beautiful, and then yeah, so it's like wonderful. So guys, the second pet peeve will be with like weird sticky slime. So just get with that. Hey guys, welcome to Adventurous Girl 22. So, I've been really happy about my slime. Did I mention it's like not sticky at all? So, it's like wonderful. I don't have it all over my hands. It's like wonderful. So guys, my third pet peeve is one with similar but sandy and good crunchiness. This is like a good positive one. So guys, this is like my channel, and it's wonderful. This is like really good slime. So guys, my fourth pet peeve, I'm gonna use the same slime, but it's like different. So it's going to be the one with the perfect slime, but is bragging about it. And trying to act cool. So, oh my god, guys. Like, annoying slime. It doesn't even poke good. It doesn't stretch good. It has the ugliest color. It looks like poop. Oh my god, like, who wants it? I'll give it away. Just whoever wants, just tell me. Like, it's the ugliest slime I've ever seen. Like, oh, I hate that one. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite or annoyingest slime pet peeve. Thanks for watching. Bye.